India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world and has many ethnic groups that follow different cultures and religions. As a diverse civilization, India is land of countless languages with over 1650 languages and dialects spoken. Despite different cultures, religions and languages, the people of India live with love and brotherhood. The immense unity in diversity makes India an example of cultural brotherhood. However, this term also fits perfectly with Lord Shiva's family, known as the first family of Hinduism. Lord Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction, is exceptionally versatile. Although he is known as the god of destruction, he is the most kind and soft-hearted lord, due to which people call him Bholenath. Mata Parvati, Lord Shiva's wife, on the other hand, is immensely calm, which creates a perfect balance of harmony in the Shiv Parivar. Though the members of Lord Shiva are exceptionally unique due to each of their carriers who are zoological foes, they share a special bond. Like the snake that graces the neck of Lord Shiva is a foe of the peacock, the carrier of his son Kartikeya. Similarly, a mouse who is a carrier of Lord Ganesha is the prey of snakes. Even Ma Parvati is as unique as the rest of the Shiva Parivar. Her carrier is the charismatic lion, who is the foe of Lord Shiva's carrier, a bull. As per the food chain, bulls are being haunted by lions. Also, even though the river Ganga flows from Lord Shiva's head, he had third eye. When once opened, destroys everything in sight with fire, and yet they both exist together eternally. Despite all the diversities, discrepancies, and disagreements, the family members have never spoiled the relationships with each other and have lived happily in Kailash Parvat. From Lord Shiva's family, we can understand that in life, people with different mindsets and choices can make the world stronger rather than making it weaker. It also teaches us to coexist without interference. In our busy world, relationships are getting weaker, values are getting neglected, and heritages are staying ignored. It is about time that we start to think of the values we will be imbibing to the coming generations and make them better individuals with these values. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.